Want to play music from your smartphone in your older Chevy Trax? This video covers how to set up Bluetooth audio streaming in 2013-2017 models. These Trax models feature Chevrolet MyLink 2013 or IntelliLink 2015 onwards. However, Bluetooth audio isn't available on all trims. We'll guide you through the process and explore alternative options. First, put your phone in pairing mode. On your Trax's infotainment screen, navigate to the Bluetooth settings. Select Pair Device or similar option. Your Trax should appear on your phone's available devices list. Select it and enter the PIN, usually 0000 or 1234 if prompted. Once paired, your phone should automatically reconnect in the future. After pairing your smartphone, you need to select Bluetooth as your audio source on the Trax's infotainment system. Look for the Source or Media button on the touchscreen. Select Bluetooth or phone from the options that appear. Once selected, your phone's audio will play through the car's speakers. The Chevrolet Trax supports Bluetooth version 2.1 or 3.0, which provides basic audio streaming capabilities. This includes support for A2DP, allowing stereo audio playback from your smartphone. However, limitations exist as it may not handle advanced audio codecs like aptX HD for enhanced sound quality. Higher trim levels from 2016 onward may include Apple CarPlay for seamless integration. For Android devices, Android Auto works best with a wired connection, as native wireless support is limited. Finally, the Bluetooth system does not allow connecting multiple phones at once. If you're experiencing Bluetooth issues with your Chevrolet Trax, start by ensuring Bluetooth is enabled on both your smartphone and the vehicle's infotainment system. For pairing failures, try deleting the existing Bluetooth connection from both your phone's Bluetooth settings and the Trax's infotainment menu, then repair using the default PIN of 000 or 1234. Audio dropouts are often caused by interference. Position your smartphone close to the vehicle's center console and minimize obstructions such as metal objects or other wireless devices. If issues persist, check if your vehicle qualifies for the 2024 General Motors recall that fixed infotainment glitches, potentially improving Bluetooth stability. Contact your dealer or visit the GM website for details. For Chevrolet Trax models from 2013 to 2017 that lack native Bluetooth audio streaming or need enhanced functionality, aftermarket upgrades offer a practical solution. Wireless adapters from brands like Alpine or Pioneer can transform your vehicle's infotainment system. These adapters enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration, allowing seamless wireless connection to your smartphone for music, navigation, and more. They utilize advanced Bluetooth 5.0 and higher standards, providing faster device pairing, improved connection stability, and significantly reduced audio latency compared to older systems. Installation typically involves connecting the adapter to your existing screen and power sources, and pricing ranges from $100 to $300 depending on the specific model and features. The automotive industry is moving toward wireless integration with technologies like wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. While the Trax is limited by its older system, aftermarket solutions can bridge the gap. Expect minimal official updates for the Trax, making owner-funded upgrades the most likely path forward. Experts like automotive analyst John McElroy recommend aftermarket upgrades for Trax owners wanting better Bluetooth performance. With 62% of owners using Bluetooth for audio, many have successfully installed CarPlay adapters, reporting improved audio quality and modern app integration. Case studies show 30% better audio after retrofit and 60% fewer complaints in fleet upgrades. Remember to verify compatibility with your specific Trax model.